What you doing, honey?
We are putting the tile into the forward shower in here.
We're using this black penny tile, and it doesn't have mesh. It's more like a glue on the back. 11 by 10 doll tile, ceramic, black penny tile.
He's Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
Bill's cutting the drain hole right now, but he's also cut edges off to fit our, what do you call that, a rhomboid? Trapezoid, rhomboid, something. I have to look that one up. I don't think any sides are equal or at the same angle.
Correct.
Imagine that on a boat. We used to have a tile cutter back in Phoenix. Boy, did we cut a lot of tile. I was a tile cutter. He was a tile layer. But this time, I'm letting him be the cutter and the layer.
So I've already marked this tile. That's the edge I gotta cut. So this tile is gonna go over here. The tile that's gonna go over here, you gotta make sure that the end pattern pieces match up. So yeah, so that one was going to go right there. So I'm going to lay it in so that it lines up with the other tile. Then I'm taking this piece here, putting it on the angle that I need, and pulling it up till I can cover almost the full tile. And this is, normally these are flat, so they're a little easier to work with, but you get it like that, and then you come in here with a straight blade, and then I just mark it with my chalk marker or whatever this is called. Anyway, and that gives me my approximate line where I'm going to cut, and so that piece will then fit in right here. So we're going to go cut those 2 pieces. So to make my cut, because the saw only goes one way, is lay the tile in the track, and you line this end up, and then this end should still be in the tray approximately where the blade's going to be. It's not perfectly square, so I just kind of guesstimate where that is, and of course the grout's going to grout on the edge. And if we'd done this correctly where we'd laid the floor first and then put the wall tiles in.
But we put the wall tiles in first.
Yeah, a long time ago. You ready?
Yep.
That piece cut.
Is that the one we need?
Yeah, I think. I hope. Find out when I take it back there. Go ahead and cut this little piece here. Same basic setup. Get the front cut lined up with the saw, and the rear cut approximately where the saw is going to end up. Okay, and that one's in. A full piece, hopefully. Okay, there's all the tiles cut with the curb in place. Obviously, we got the tile on the curb. We're getting there. Later. While Ginny was off getting this piece of backer board, I went and made a template of the floor in there, along with a mark out for where that sink is. And then we've already removed 2 pieces, and here's the dustless way of cutting backer board. Because if you get out your masonry saw or grinder, you create lots and lots of dust. But anyway, you score the backer board. Okay, you score it, and then you take your ruler, stick it on the side of the piece you want to keep, and you line it up both sides, and then you just whomp it, and voila, you have a good clean cut. The nice thing about that is no dust.
Woohoo! You got all the side pieces cut
For the curb.
Sunday's supposed to be cleaning day, but we didn't do anything yesterday. Now comes the dust part. He's putting glue down. Loctite PL Max Premium. So we're putting this backer board on because the thin set said it wouldn't stick to PVC very well.
It was unclear PVC plastic, but I know this stuff will stick to both of these surfaces. And I certainly know tile will stick very well to tile backer board. So okay.
Now we're placing the tile, now that we have the backer board down. He's having to make some adjustments. What are you doing now?
Dampening the Hardie board so that as soon as I put thin set on, just to start drying the thin set out.
Got the first row in. So Bill is grouting the shower floor. We're using the ready-to-use grout in DeLorean Gray. He's sponging off the grout now.
Yep.
I'll come back and check on you after I clean this guy off. So the shower floor is all grouted. Looks good. Finished grouting the curb. We'll be able to use the shower in a week. Later.
We got the drain cover in. We did chip out one little piece there, so we'll have to reattach that, and then I'm going to caulk that just to make it look nicer. I know if I ever have to take this up, I'll have to cut the caulk, but that'll make it look nicer and hold it in place. Keep water from going underneath the edges. And now we're going to work on the curb. So you want to hand me the curb?
Does it fit?
Working on it. What was this supposed to be?
It can't be that much wider.
Well, yeah, we've added probably close to 1 inch to it in size. So we'll pop that guy off. That was just glued on. Okay. Mr. Curb, the whole floor. And we're getting ready to drop this little piece back in. There we go. Okay. Usually the stuff is like 30 minutes and it's water ready.
24 hours to cure to a youthful state.
This stuff is really nasty to work with. It's not like to spread very easily. Oh, fart leaked out and of course got over everything. It just goes everywhere but where you want it. Not ready to totally give up on this. Where's my elbow pads? Okay. So there's the shower pan caulked, drain in, curb in. So now we just gotta wait 24 hours and we can use it again. Later.
We finally finished all the work in the bathroom. Well, not all the work. We still have trim to put up. Bill installed the bidet. Those are the controls. There was some plumbing he needed to do to hook it up. We got the curb in and it's nice and tiled. The shower is usable and looks great. And what else did we do? Oh, we hung up this soap dispenser. Yay, now we can use the shower again. Later.
If you like our videos, let us know.
Hit the like button, or better yet, leave a comment. But definitely subscribe.
Later. Okay.